The 3 police officers charged pleaded not guilty. A jury found 3 officers not guilty the 2020 death of Manuel "Manny" Ellis while in police custody. Tacoma, Washington. Christopher Burbank, 38, and Matthew Collins, 40, were found not guilty of second-degree and first-degree manslaughter, while Timothy Rankine, 34, was found not guilty of first-degree manslaughter. All 3 police officers denied the accusations. If convicted, they likely faced a maximum penalty of life in prison and a $50,000 fine. According to the Washington Legislature, I want to begin by thanking the jury and court staff for their service. I also want to thank the members of my legal team for their extraordinary hard work and dedication. I know the Ellis family is hurting, and my heart goes out to them. Washington State Attorney General Bob Ferguson said in a statement following the verdict. The jury began deliberations on December 14, but the jury was asked to restart twice as alternate jurors had to be called. On Monday, one juror's status was changed from seated alternate due to unavailability due to a family matter, the High Court said, and an alternate juror joined the other 11 members seated to restart deliberations. Then on Tuesday, the court said a juror had tested positive for COVID-19, and the alternate juror was summoned. Ellis, a 33-year-old unarmed black man, on March 3, 2020, after he was restrained, beaten, shocked and put in a spit mask by law enforcement, according to prosecutors. A photo of Manuel Ellis, black man whose death in March while in Tacoma police custody was ruled a homicide, is seen near the scene of his death during memorial service for him on June 3. According to the Pierce County Medical Examiner's Office, 2020 in Tacoma, Washington, David Ryder Special Prosecutor Patricia Eakes of the Washington Attorney General's Office relied on eyewitness testimony and video evidence in presenting the state's closing arguments. Eakes said Ellis didn't need to die that night. He was a human being who deserved the same honor as all of us. She said, he deserved to be treated with basic human dignity. Eakes compared Ellis to an animal, and his statement in his closing statement that her hands were bound with a restraint caused tension during court proceedings. A hobble is a restraint device used by police to immobilize a suspect's legs and ankles. Defense attorneys sought dismissal and mistrial and objected several times to calling Ellis a human being. A sign is displayed at a memorial service in Tacoma, Washington, on May 27, 2021, where Manuel "Manny" Ellis on March 3, 2020, after being restrained by police officers. Ted S. WarrenAP defense attorneys argued that Ellis' death was unfortunate but not illegal. They presented evidence of Ellis' history of drug addiction and mental health issues as the main defense throughout the trial. The county medical examiner ruled Ellis' death a homicide due to hypoxia due to physical restraint. And later,